Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. These are various arithmetic operators which Python supports. Now let us understand each one of them in detail with example. Let's go back to our Jupyter Notebook. Let's create a new IPYNB file for arithmetic operators. Let us rename it as arithmetic operator and rename. So let us see the first arithmetic operator for addition. So let's say I have a variable A which is equal to 10 and variable B which is equal to 5. So to add these two variables, we can do A plus B. Like we do in mathematics, the syntax works in Python as well. So we get 50. Let's see subtraction. Print A minus B, the way we do in maths. Python supports these symbols. So we get 5. Let's see multiplication. Multiplication is done using asterisks. So A asterisk B, we get 50. Let's see division. So print A slash B. For division, we use slash. And the output is 2.0. So when we do division in Python, it always returns a float value. That is a decimal value. We will have a decimal in the output. Let's see something called as floor division. In the previous videos, we learned about floor division. But since we are discussing arithmetic operators, let's cover this. So floor division removes decimal part and gives integer result. What does that mean? Let's say I do 10 slash 3. So floor division is done by using symbol double slash. And if I execute it, I get 3. So floor division removes the decimal part and it returns only the integer result. If I would have done the division, let me do the division here, 10 slash 3. What will I get? I will get 3.33 and so on. I will also get the decimal values, right? But in floor division, these decimal values are dropped off and the output is only the integer value. So this is floor division. Let's say another arithmetic operator for modulus. What is modulus? It gives the remainder. Okay. Let us execute it. Let's say we have 10 percentage. Modulus is represented by percentage. What will we get? 1. Why? Because if we divide 10 by 3, the remainder is 1. So modulus operators gives us the remainder. Let's see another arithmetic operator, that is exponent. Exponent. Let's give print and let's say we give 2. An exponent is represented by double asterisk. Double asterisk 3. What will be the output? It's 8. Why? Because exponent will multiply the value that same number of times. For example, this 2 exponent 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Or in mathematics, we have learned it as power. So 2 to the power 3, which is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. So in Python, we do it by double asterisk symbol. So this is all with respect to arithmetic operators in Python. In the next video, we are going to learn another important concept, which is comparison operators in Python. Thanks for watching. Now it's hands-on time. These are a set of questions around arithmetic operators. Please do the hands-on on these questions and do let me know in the comment section in case you face any difficulty. So this is all with respect to arithmetic operators in Python. In the next video, we are going to learn about another important topic, which is comparison operators in Python. Thanks for watching.